Guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining me today. So this is my 2024 GMC Sierra 1500. It's the Elevation package. I've only had this a couple months. I just put about 1,000 miles on this in a couple of months. I don't drive it a ton, but I've done a few modifications to it over the last couple months. Like I blacked out all the badges. I've done kind of a few like overview review videos of this truck. So if you're interested in those, learning more about this trim, it has the diesel engine in it. I'll leave a link to the playlist of all the videos for this truck. But in this video, I want to show you guys, I just installed a bed cover, like a tonneau roll-up bed cover. And I'm pretty excited about this one. I had this same cover on another truck. So I want to show you some of the features of it, show you how it works, a couple tips when you're installing it. Here's the cover here. It's all rolled up here. It has these rails on the side. So it's got this nice industrial Velcro on the sides. It rolls up here nice and compact against the glass. This particular cover is called it's the Truxedo Pro X15 soft roll-up bed cover. I had this on another one of my trucks, and I really like this one. You can see it's kind of strapped down right here. There's a loop right here. You can kind of secure it down. Let me get this all rolled out, and I just want to show you some of the features of it. There's two straps, one for each side. The nice thing I like about this is when it's all rolled up, you still have full use of the whole bed. So like if I want to put like move furniture, I want to put my dirt bike in here, I have full use of that. It's really compact. Some of the hard fold up ones will fold up against the glass and you really can't see out the back of the window. So I kind of like this one that it's kind of just low profile when you're using it and low profile when you're storing it. So this just rolls out like this. You get it all rolled out, this back piece notches into this clip right here. You just get that lined up on both sides. Okay, you see kind of how it locks down there. Once you get it locked down, you can go back along the sides here and kind of pull the Velcro tight, pull the cover tight. Make sure that Velcro is nice and tight there, push down. And then the same on this side, just pulling the cover nice and tight. And then just pressing down the Velcro. Okay, on the back here, it does have this rubber flap here to kind of help seal out weather. So I've kind of been using it just with that flap down and then just closing the gate right up against that. This does have an overhang here, so water should just bead right off the back here. And the nice thing is it's nice and secure when it's closed, so you really can't get into it unless you open the tailgate. So the tailgate has to be open to be able to get into it. You can see here's the Pro X15. But I like the look of this because it's kind of like a heavy-duty canvas material. It's not like a gloss or a shiny vinyl material. It's got this nice like heavy-duty canvas material. It's waterproof, weatherproof, and then when it's driving, it also says that like it helps vibrate dust and debris off of this, so it stays a little bit cleaner as well. I kind of like the matte look of this on the bed. I like kind of the look of this as opposed to some of the shinier vinyl covers. I had good success with this for almost a year on my other truck, so that's kind of why I chose this one. And then to release it, pretty easy here. There's just this little thumb latch or a finger latch here. You just pop that up. It lifts up, and then you can just roll it all the way back up. So getting into it, in and out of it's pretty easy. And you can see just to roll it up, it rolls up pretty easily. These straps are hanging down inside. You just bring them over. There's a little loop here. You just strap those down. Makes it really easy to use, easy to store as well. Now these rails do protrude into the bed a little bit. You can see there's probably 2-3 inches here where they do protrude into there. This Velcro strip also will move a little bit. So you see how this is kind of this can move. So it helps like when you're pulling the cover nice and tight, it will kind of move back a little bit and lock into this position. It's just held in by these clamps underneath the bed. Now this one's into the bed stake here. So here's the other end of that clamp there. That one's screwed into there, and then there's 3 that are just clamping. You can see underneath there, they're clamping the rail. It's clamping on the inside of the bed and on this rail. to kind of keep it straight against there. Just have 3 there, 3 on that side, and then there's that one there. So installation's really not that hard, just clamping those down. This also held up well. I had this for a year on my other truck, like I said, and it held up well, the weather. It didn't like fade. I've had a few others in the past that had like more of a vinyl, like a shiny vinyl material, and that would always fade. If it got like something dropped on it, it would like fade, stain it. This one I had very good luck with, and so I really like the look of it, how it looks, how it feels, how low it sits as well. It sits up just above the bed a little bit here. So kind of low profile. It's not, you know, it doesn't stand out very well, but it also looks nice just having that black cover on the truck bed. So guys, that's kind of an update on my truck. That's my most recent mod. A few things I have coming is I have some black lug nuts. I've been trying to black everything out on this truck. I think it looks really good having the all the badges. So no chrome, all the chrome has been taken out, and it's just really just this Thunderstorm Gray and black. I like the wheels that this came with. I don't really have the desire to change out the wheels. I think the wheels look really good. I'm changing out the lug nuts. I got an aftermarket set of lug nuts that look just like those. I'm going to swap those out. Those are going to be black. And then I'm working on an interior mod where I'm going to be putting a carbon fiber wrap on this kind of faux wood trim that's on the door panels, and it also kind of runs through the dash here. I've kind of started it over there. I showed this in another video, but I started it there. I think it looks a lot better with that on there. So I'm going to start working on the other doors, this interior piece, and I'll show you guys kind of when it's all done. But that's kind of an update on the truck. Guys, well, thanks for watching the video. I'll leave a link to this truck bed cover if you're interested. This isn't sponsored. I paid for that. I just think it's a cool cover. I think it looks really good on the truck. It functions really well. So, guys, see the link down below. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.